Hawaii's Attorney General released the third and final report into how the state responded to the Maui wildfires disaster. Phase 3 of the investigation looks forward and offers a list of action items the state and all counties can use to make wildfire preparation improvements. Now, the top priorities in the report include requiring state and county departments to work together to prepare a preliminary action plan, hiring a state fire marshal and personnel to fill critical vacant roles, having a standardized format for executing evacuation plans, and improving communication, including best practices for public alerts and the role of the outdoor siren warning system.